We'll guide you through how to sign out of a Microsoft account in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason you no longer want to go and use a Microsoft account, instead we can go and just have a normal user local account on our computer. It makes it easier and I prefer it, so that's what we're going to do. I'll just go and show you I currently have a Microsoft account. If I go and press down here, I'll press the Windows Start button. Then if I go and press our account here, you can go and see we're using a Microsoft account here. So what you need to do here is much easier than you probably think. You need to go and head to your Windows settings. So if you go and press the Windows Start button at the bottom, you can then go and find settings in pinned. Alternatively, you can press the search at the top. Then what we can do here is go and type in settings and it should go and appear and we can go and click on it. As you can go and see the account at the top here. So during this process, it is important to note that you are no longer going to be syncing with it. So you do consider that, but I think it has other benefits as well. Still though, I prefer it. So then what you want to do is come down this list on the left and you can go and press accounts, wait for this to load. Now here you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for your info. And you want to go and click here at the top, wait for this to load. Now it will go and say Microsoft account. Windows is better when settings and files automatically sync, but what we can do is go and press sign in with a local account instead. And so what this will do is go and sign out your Microsoft account. So we can go and click that there like so. You'll get this pop up. It says, are you sure you want to go and switch to a local account? Switching to a local account means you won't see your personalized settings on all your devices, and you might be able to sign in again if you want to access info associated with your account. But if you want to continue, verify your identity. So let's press continue, enter in the PIN you would have set. So I'll go and enter mine in now. Now we need to go and enter in our local account info. This will be the info we use to go and sign into Windows. So you can enter in your username, I'll have Tucker. Then you can go and enter in your password and you need to go and confirm it. And then what you need to do is go and give yourself a hint as well in case you need to go and be reminded. Then you can go and press next and it's gonna go and say sign out and finish. So now we're gonna go and sign out by pressing there. And that's preparing local account. Keep waiting. You're going to be taken back to the Windows lock screen. As you can see, here we are. We'll press the space and there it is. Now you can go and enter in the password you just set. I'll do that now and press enter. And now it says welcome. Be patient, it'll go and log in. Now if I press the Windows Start button at the bottom, I'll press my account here. You can see it's just a local account. And if we come into our Windows settings, you'll go and see it's a local account as well. We successfully signed out. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.